Dmitri Mendeleev's periodic law was a groundbreaking principle in the development of the periodic table of elements. The law states that the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. Historical context. Mendeleev formulated his periodic law in the late 19th century when scientists were grappling with organizing the growing number of known chemical elements. At the time, around 63 elements had been discovered, and scientists were struggling to make sense of their properties and relationships. 2. Organizing elements by atomic mass. Mendeleev arranged the known elements in order of increasing atomic mass. He noticed that when the elements were arranged this way, certain similarities in their chemical properties appeared at regular intervals. This led him to propose the periodic law. 3. Periodic table. Mendeleev created the first periodic table based on his periodic law. He arranged the elements in rows, periods, and columns, groups, according to their atomic masses. Elements with similar properties were placed in the same column. 4. Predictive power. One of the most remarkable aspects of Mendeleev's periodic law was its predictive power. Gaps existed in his periodic table where elements had not yet been discovered. However, based on the properties of neighboring elements, Mendeleev confidently predicted the existence and properties of several missing elements. For example, he predicted the properties of gallium, germanium, and scandium before they were discovered. 5. Later modifications. Mendeleev's periodic table was later modified and refined, particularly by Henry Moseley, who rearranged the elements based on their atomic numbers rather than atomic masses. This led to the modern periodic table, which is organized based on atomic number, where elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, and elements with similar properties are grouped together. 6. Legacy. Mendeleev's periodic law laid the foundation for our modern understanding of the organization of the chemical elements. It provided a framework for predicting the properties of new elements and helped scientists identify relationships between different elements. Mendeleev's contributions to the development of the periodic table are considered one of the most significant achievements in the history of chemistry.